How to start a business with no money. Starting a business with no money is a challenging endeavor, but it's not impossible. Here are some steps you can take to get your business off the ground with limited financial resources. Identify your business idea. Start by identifying a business idea that doesn't require significant upfront capital. Look for opportunities that leverage your skills, knowledge, or resources you already have. Create a business plan. Even if you don't have money to invest, a solid business plan is essential. It will help you clarify your business concept, target market, competition, and revenue model. It's also crucial if you're seeking external funding or partners. Bootstrap. Bootstrap your business by using your personal savings and resources. Cut unnecessary personal expenses to allocate more money for your business. This could involve making sacrifices in your personal life to support your business. Leverage your skills and network. If you have specific skills or knowledge, leverage them to offer services or consulting. You can start a service-based business, such as freelance writing, graphic design, web development, or consulting, which typically requires little to no upfront capital.